Looks like we're replacing the whole front clip and bumper mounts.
Yeah. Let's get the hood up and hit these bolts with the impact wrench. They look rusted tight.
From crash to comeback. Restored to rule the road.